Soft field takeoffs and landings. You're not skipping rocks. Hold it off. Let's have a heart-to-heart about soft field takeoffs and landings. Because some of y'all out here think soft field means slam it on and pray it doesn't bounce into a fence. Newsflash, if your landing feels like a car wreck in slow motion, you're doing it wrong. All right, let's talk about those soft field takeoffs. Stop dragging your tail through the mud. You ever seen a helicopter take off? Good, emulate that energy. Keep back pressure on the yoke like you're cradling a Fabergé egg. You're trying to keep the nose wheel off the ground, not bulldoze the runway. As soon as the main gear breaks ground, stay in ground effect. Don't yank it into a climb like you're dodging flak over Normandy. Let it build speed, then climb out smoothly. You see this? This ain't flying, this is plowing. Pick the nose up, buttercup. All right, let's move on to soft field landings. Make it so soft you don't even know you landed. Most of y'all yeet the aircraft into the earth like it stole your lunch money. Well, that's wrong. You're gonna float that puppy down like you're laying a feather on a pillow. Leave some power in it. Don't you dare pull it to idle and try to flare from a foot above the runway. That's not a soft field landing, that's a controlled crash. Leave 100 to 200 RPM in it so you can cushion the touchdown. The power helps keep the nose wheel up and keeps the sink rate from going full kamikaze. Hold it off. We're not skipping rocks here. Keep that nose wheel off the turf. Keep pulling. If it's not softly squeaking the mains down, you're too aggressive. You want that landing so soft you have to check if you're still airborne. You want to be like, did we land yet? I want it that smooth. It's not a short field. You got space. This is where y'all get confused. The FAA wants you to simulate a soft field with plenty of runway. You're not trying to plan it on the numbers. You've got room. Use it. Float, cushion, set it down like royalty. Look, here's a reality check. It's gonna be a short, soft combo. Now that's all check ride theory. In real life, grass strips ain't 3 miles long with T-service. You'll do a soft field and a short field combo most of the time. So sure, be soft, but also be smart. Pick a touchdown spot and aim to hit it without floating halfway to the trees. It's about balance, precision, and finesse. So bottom line is, if your soft field landing rattles the plane, go home and rethink your aviation career. If your nose wheel touches first, again, we fight. You want to look like a pilot? Make the landing feel like a dream. Little bit of power, hold that nose wheel up like it's made of glass, float her down, soft, precision, controlled. Because if I hear another student say, I thought that was soft after dropping it like a sack of bricks, I'm gonna scream. Soft field, fly it like you respect it, or don't, and see how your DPE feels about it.